everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for this vlog is I'm gonna make a new unboxing for today, and again guys, this is again from Timo. So without further ado, let's gonna start up. Okay, so this one right here I believe is this 3 earphones from Timo. So let's try if it is this good or not. So let's try it. Okay, so let's open this up. Okay, so this just arrived early. This just arrived earlier, right? So sorry for that. So I'm gonna have to hide the my address and the name, right? So since someone is advising or suggesting me that I don't, you know, right? So there are three, right? So there are three. Okay, there are 3 items in the bag. Okay. Okay, so here it goes guys. So here it goes. So this one right here, and this also right here. Okay, so let's gonna start it up with this the small one. So let's gonna start it up with the small one, right? So let's check this one. Okay, and it's also let's gonna check it out if the quality is also good, right? So let's go. Okay, so wireless Bluetooth earphones, right? And then you're gonna, okay, is a micro USB. Oh, okay, glad. Okay, I'm so happy that it is a micro USB. So here it is the here it is the earbuds. Okay, so let's go gonna check that out. So why is it so hard? So I think I need to open this up. I need to open this up to get the, you know. Okay, 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 then here it goes. Okay, gonna have to, okay, let's go open this up. Whoa, nice. Okay, perfect. Oh, I love this. It also has a built-in display so that you can, yes, and it's not charging it up, right? So it's not charging. So let's try. So gonna have to take my power bank. Okay, gonna have to take my power bank. So where is my power bank? So here it goes. Gonna try it up. So okay, let's go gonna try. So let's go gonna have to charge it up. Okay, so if it is, you know, why they didn't charge it. Okay, so let's go gonna, oh, already. Okay, so let's go gonna check that out inside, and here it goes. Whoa, okay, 100%. So nice, perfect. So let's go gonna open the other one. Okay, let's go gonna open this one. So E6 is green, and the green color, right? So I'm gonna have to take that off. Okay, since, you know, it is already charging up. So let's see what we got. So let's see what we got right here. So let's try this, you know. Oops, sorry. So I didn't notice that one. So let's go gonna check. Oh, it's a type C. Okay, perfect. It's a type C, right? It's a type C. So let's go gonna check this out. Okay, let's go gonna check it out. So, and also what is the difference for these two, right? So why is it so hard to open it? Okay, it's okay. Okay, here it goes. It's a mic. It's a type C. Okay, oh, nice. Oh, it's a capsule. Whoa, okay, nice. Okay, I love the design. It's a capsule. Okay, so how to open this up? I think right here. Okay, Whoa, nice. Whoa, okay. Nice. Okay, I didn't see that, right. So have to take this off. I think this is the right earbuds, right? Nice. Okay. So let's go gonna try to charge it up. Okay, so let's gonna try to charge it up. Okay. And okay, so let's go gonna try to charge it. So where's the charging port, and then let's go gonna try to charge. Okay, so yes. Whoa, nice. Okay, I love it. 28%. So it's not full, so it is have a 28%. Wow, okay, nice. And also I really like it is because you just have to take this off right here, just like a capsule, right? So you can see it clearly, right? So since my light is not powering up, okay, yes, nice, perfect, I love it. Okay, I love this. So the sign, but it's okay, right? So it's okay. So this is nice. I love this. I love so minimalistic, right? So this one is so minimalistic right here. This is like just like a capsule, right? So I'm gonna take that off. So this is just like a capsule. It is so minimalistic, right? So you just have to take that off. You just have to take that off and then put it into your ears. Oh, like that. So minimalistic, right? So minimalistic. I love this. I love this kind of earbuds, right? So okay, so let's start. So let's go on to the last one. So okay, this one right here is a necklace earphones, right? So this is a necklace earphones in which right, in which you have to put it in your neck right over here. So okay, this one is pretty good also, and also really like this. So I believe that there is also a, what is this called, uh it's a micro USB. Okay, glad it's a micro USB. Okay, so let's go gonna check it out. So okay, so there's the instruction you need right here. So let's go gonna charge it up if it's gonna be charging it up. So let's go gonna check. Okay, so okay, right here. Okay, so to open this one is have to open this up, and then gonna have to charge. So let's go gonna try to charge. So I cannot show to you how to wear it. So it's because this straight is because this is a straight to upload, right? So and I cannot see. Okay, there you have it. So there's what. Okay, okay, as you can see, right, yes, right over there there's a indicator that it is charging it up. Oh, nice. Okay, perfect, love this one. Okay, also I love this also, right? This is nice. 74% of battery, nice and perfect, and also really like it, right? So overall perfect. All the items are good. So since I cannot what is this called, I cannot show to you the performance of this one. Okay, so there will be a follow-up video for this. Okay, there will be a follow-up video. So stay tuned. Is because the follow-up video will be edited. Okay, so this is not an edited video for today. So okay, this is not an edited video for today. So this is straight to upload in my YouTube channel, since I still don't have a laptop that can edit a video, right? So my laptop is broken, it's not working anymore, but it's still working, but I cannot edit, I cannot export in Filmora. Always, all the laptop is always shutting down. So problem with the operating system also is that it cannot be upgrade is because my hard drive is not is insufficient memory. So what I am going to do is I have to upload it straight into my Chromebook. And also my Chromebook, I cannot edit in my Chromebook is because I cannot edit in Chromebook is because I cannot it is not I'm not compatible with anything in Chromebook since Chromebook is a Chrome OS, so and I think an Android. So for now it's gonna be the unboxing. So stay tuned for the what is this called for the review of this one. Okay, so thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoy, and please don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so that you will notify all of my coming future videos. Okay, so stay